Inspect faucets, toilets, and showers for leaks. Examine exposed pipes for corrosion. Check water heaters for leaks or corrosion. Look for water stains on walls and ceilings indicating hidden leaks. Clear hair, debris, and soap scum from drains regularly. Use drain strainers to catch debris before it enters pipes. Pour hot water down drains to dissolve grease and prevent clogs. Add food coloring to the tank to check for leaks. If the color appears in the bowl without flushing, there's a leak. Ensure the flapper seals properly to prevent water waste. Check the fill valve and flush mechanism for proper operation. Remove sediment buildup annually by draining and flushing the tank. Look for signs of corrosion on the tank. Ensure the pressure relief valve works properly. Maintain the temperature at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for efficiency and safety. Clean gutters and downspouts regularly to prevent water backups. Ensure downspouts direct water away from the foundation. Check outdoor faucets for leaks or damage and insulate them in cold weather. Test sump pump by pouring water into the pit and clean debris. Locate water, gas, and mainline shutoff valves for emergencies. Keep plumber's tape, pipe wrenches, and other repair supplies on hand. Save trusted plumber contacts for quick access during emergencies. Get detailed inspection findings and recommendations. Receive scheduled reminders to never miss important maintenance tasks. Follow step-by-step guidance with photo documentation. Track all plumbing maintenance easily with a user-friendly dashboard.